after Friday's bullish engulf close, we see that the market has formed what looks to be a shooting star over here. However, with a high of 31.50, currently the market has broken our first level of yesterday and is currently hovering around the second level. So where yesterday we saw a possible test of our first support level being broken, we now currently hovering around the 3080 region. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, we can actually see it a lot clearer. A very, very nice candle formation forming over here. And this level was broken yesterday. The first level was broken yesterday. However, today we are on our second level of 3080. So we still have to wait for a reversal pattern or candle to form on this level to confirm the perceived bullish direction. So essentially, only once we have this candle closed, we can basically secure our bias in terms of the market moving further up. And also, if we jump on the, like us being on the 4-hour now, what we can also see is that we're seeing a very neat correction. So after this bullish impulse, we see a very nice correction forming over here, this retracement over here. And after significant bullish impulse, we have the market closing a possible hammer, which is something that we really want to see close. So on this level, there's a good possibility that it might be the confirmation we need to confirm the bull run. So we're not necessarily going to wait for the hammer to close on the 4-hour chart. Instead, we're actually going to jump over to our 1-hour chart, and we're actually going to look at this very, very nice setup over here. So currently we can see the market forming, just kind of hovering within this descending channel that we had after this bullish impulse. This is also a very strong indication of a market looking to break to the upside. If by the end of the hour we can close a nice bullish engulfing candle, of which the momentum is definitely there to support. So as soon as the market breaks this level of resistance, we could possibly see the market going all the way up till this point of the year, which is 31.50. So we could revisit the 31.50 level, and I'm very sure that we're going to see a break of the 31.50 level as well. So in terms of today's market, there's one of two levels that we're looking at. We're still keeping our 3080 level because unless the market is tending to kind of use this as a resistance to trend further down. If the market does use this as a resistance and starts building momentum to the downside, there's a possibility that it might want to test the 3050 level, as this is a weekly level. But the way things are looking, there's a high probability of market just looking to smash through this descending channel to build momentum all the way to the upside. And for those of you that are taking targets, first target will be 3160. This trade is starting to build very nice momentum. Our level has held, which is an awesome, was basically a very awesome level that we've identified yesterday. For those of you that were patient enough to take this position, you are now starting to see the benefits of your patience. So in terms of this level, I'm very confident that we're going to start to see the bull run running from here. And from here on out, we're just going to be monitoring and continue looking for levels to kind of scale in and build this position as it runs up in the short term. Furthermore, if there is any questions or anything you guys would like to add as it relates to our analysis here this morning, please don't hesitate to jot a question or a comment in our Telegram group, and I will get to it as soon as I possibly can. For those of you that have taken this position, congratulations. For those of you that's still looking to jump into this position, good luck with all the trades that you are looking to take throughout the day. So furthermore, have a good one, and I'll chat to you soon. Cheers. Bye.